A lot of people's makeup be looking like this. A lot of people's makeup on the Instagram be looking like this. Hey, ewa salame, babak no papier, ewa salame, zinzalbim, ewa salame, hey. Hey. Hi guys, my name is Indigo and welcome back to my channel. Now today I am not doing any makeup. I am going to be face tuning it onto my face. We all know that all beauty gurus use Facetune, but I want to challenge myself today and see if I can do all of my makeup with Facetune. I'm going to try my hardest to make it as believable as possible, but I don't know how good this is gonna be. And since this is me after all, I want to do something very extra. I'm not gonna do any simple like brown eyeshadow and red lips thing. No, that's too easy, okay? We're gonna do like a whole like creature, like from what I look like right now to like an octopus or something. Actually, you know what? Let's call my friend and let's see what she has to say. Ooh. Okay, so I'm recording right now. Okay, so I'm going to Facetune all of my makeup onto my face. So what makeup look should I do?
Turn yourself into a lion.
Ooh.
A lion or Howard the Alien.
Howard the Alien. Okay, I'm gonna do the lion because ooh. Period. All right, we're doing a lion. All right, so here is my phone screen. Ignore the background. That is an inside joke. But anyways, I'm gonna be using my two little photoshopping tools, which is Photoshop Fix. Oh, and there is already me. Okay. Actually, you know what? Let's just use this picture since it's already here. So since I'm gonna do myself like a lion, first things first, I gotta like, what's the color of a lion? I'm so smart. Okay, let's try like orange? I feel like I should look at a picture of a lion to remember like what a lion looks like, but that's like cheating, so I'm not gonna do that. Oh my god, I really don't know what a lion looks like. Wow. I take like an hour painting myself with my paints, and this is taking me how long? Might just have to start getting on this for the face paints. Ciao, the ghetto. Should I do my hands too? I guess I should do my ear. Come on, I would do my ear if this was like my makeup. Y'all know me. I look sickening. Now that I have my base layer on, I'm gonna go back and clean it up with the restore thingy. Y'all thought I was gonna leave this messy job? No, child. Oh. Y'all, I almost scalped myself in the picture, damn. Something about it just looks weird to me. And then I'm gonna do my brows, maybe? Yeah, okay. Look at that. Ooh, we don't have to do our brows no more. Hold up, let me eat a grape. Grapes are so good. Anyways, back to our art piece. This shouldn't be too hard because a lot of makeup artists be doing this on Instagram. So why can't I? And now we're going to do brown lips because like, I don't know if like lions, I don't even think lions have lips, do they? Ooh. Dude, watch this look like a mustache when I zoom out, I swear. Oh, I'm giving myself like Devora vibes from Mortal Kombat. Fun fact, I did do that as a makeup look before and it looked so good. Wait, why does that like actually like look like lipstick kind of? Or am I just like trying to make myself feel better? I don't know. I guess I could do like the hair. They have like beards. They have like beards, right? Can I use like another like face app? Like another Facetune app like for this? I think I'm gonna, okay, so I'm gonna go on Face app. That is not Face app. Although, maybe, I think this part is cheating. I'm using my resources. I don't even know how to use this one. Let's see if it. Ayo, that don't look like me, but it kind of snapped. Yes, okay. Went back to this. Okay, I'm pretty sure that was cheating. Oh, I don't like the jaw though. I have to fix it. Who is this? Who is she? I don't know her. No, I guess I'll keep it black because it makes the most sense, right? And then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna darken the lips. Ooh. Yes. This is looking good, y'all. Don't even play with me. While we're here, we're also going to add a little bit of like highlight. Look at that highlight. What is she using? Oh, look at that nose. And then we're gonna brighten the under eyes too. This part right here is stuff that I just flat out do for my pictures, by the way. So this is why I'm so good at this part. The other part, not so much. I think you can tell the other part is editing. How did I take myself from like 12 to like 48? Oh, I should give myself green eyes. I do know how to do this part, kind of. I do it sometimes on my like pictures, like when my contacts look a little bit weird, I'll go in with this little tool and I'll make them look a little bit more realistic. But honestly, it's not even subtle. You guys can totally see it in my pictures. Because I'm not that good at it. Okay, it looks rough right now, but it'll it'll start to look better soon. You gotta shade it and stuff. You know, like this. Ooh, ooh, yes. I feel like I'm doing horrible and I'm just like hyping myself up because I feel really bad. Ooh. Oh, that grape was really sour. Whoa. Well, the eyes are snapping so hard right now. Ooh, and yeah, let me just exaggerate like my facelift. Nice. The nose. How could I forget? Gonna give myself like the little like lion nose. Ooh. Oh shit. And then we're just gonna like clean it up. In all fairness, if I had like something to build up from, I would be doing much better. But I'm literally just drawing on nothing. What is that nose? It looks like the 4-leaf clover like Lucky Charm marshmallow. I'm a digital designer, guys. Hey yo, I look kind of fine though. If there was like an orange lion, would it still have red blush? Cause you gotta give myself blush. I look like the Pikachu makeup look that I did, if anything else. So for my eyes, what should I do? Should I do like a husky eyeshadow or something? I don't know what I should do. No cap. I'm starting to look like a couple guys on Instagram. I do look good. Identical. Seriously though, what does a lion look like? Obviously I know what a lion looks like, but I don't know what it looks like exactly, so I don't know what I'm supposed to be putting on. I cannot believe I'm doing this right now. I look like I should be part of like a boy band group in like the 90s. Oh wait, they have like that little thing in the middle, right? Bro, I swear. I look like an Alvin and the Chipmunk character. I don't think I should keep going with this part. As funny as it was, I look like a Lalaloopsy. I'm not doing that at all. I think if I just like, would that make sense? Like some orange eyeshadow? Yeah, right? Lions have orange. Oh, he's giving it to us. Hold up. If I can finesse this, I can actually make this look like really good. Look at that. That is an eyeshadow. Now we're just gonna add some like shimmery highlight in the center. Which is funny because I actually never do this in person. This is where the real test. The eyeliner. This snaps. I might do this eyeshadow in person. Okay, so should I do like my my eyeliner? Well, let's just try it. I mean, I'm not even gonna say what I'm thinking right now. Let's just say that I am offended. That's probably the most even my eyeliner has ever been in my life. But I feel like it needs like a little something. Maybe if I make like a little line right here. Let's try that. There you go. Oh. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so cute. This looks like a cat in like a lion mask. I'm sorry guys, I really don't know what a lion looks like. This is almost tempting me to like do this as like in-person makeup look after this. It's so cute. Look at it. Alright guys, so this is our final makeup look. Stunning. Okay. I think the thing that I'm the most proud of this look is like the eyeshadow. Like, y'all never going to see me do eyeshadow ever again. I'm only gonna do it on Facetune. Just kidding, obviously. But the nose. Irregardless. Before, after. Just subtle tweaking. Once again, I reign supreme. I can do makeup on any basis. I don't even know how to call that. I can do it on a computer, I can do it on a phone, underwater. Obviously, this video was meant to be taken as a joke and stuff, but as you can see, I definitely was able to make this look pretty convincing. Obviously, if I were to see this, I would definitely think that it was photoshopped, but not to the extent that I had photoshopped it. So just be mindful of that whenever you're scrolling through Instagram and you're comparing yourself to these people. So that is all that I have for this video, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like my art, if you guys like my energy, please like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on my Instagram if you don't already, and I will see you guys in the future. Bye-bye. Should I say cue the montage? Cue the montage.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hey, ewa salame, baba klopapier, ewa salame, zinzalbem, ewa salame, hey, hey. Hey, 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 bow, bow. It was salame, it was salame, it was salame, it was salame. Ooh, ooh,